let's be totally clear about what the Indian accent, especially the commonly spoken Indian accent, kind of sounds like. Is the Indian accent really bad to comprehend or listen to? Well, the answer is no. There is no as such called bad accent. Indian accent is definitely not bad, but it seems non-standard when comprehended or is listened by a native English speaker. It can be either Britishers, Americans, Canadians. It sounds quite non-standard to the native ears. If you want to stick to your Indian accent, you can stick to your Indian accent. There is nothing wrong with the Indian accent. You are not forcibly meant to speak English like with a native accent until you have a crave for it.